comes inside, the shot spilled by Kona. Beattie! The Mariners in front. Bernie Ibini, his first start of his second spell, and he's back amongst the goals. Liam Reddy crouched on the line, in from Finkler, and Reddy at full stretch and turned in the rebound. James Troisi has equalised for Melbourne victory, and what a time to score. For the victory as Traore comes away with the ball. Engleson, he crosses inside, and Archie Thompson finally scores against the Central Coast Mariners. Delight for Thompson, and the victory take the lead. Breaks for Rogic, sets it up for Troisi. He's going to take the shot on his right foot, but he does eventually, and scores.